How cute! A mini gel salon from Amazon. And it's so sweet. Today I want to do some holiday nails and I'm going to use this kit. This is the Gel Mini Salon by Model Ones. I think almost all the pedicures I've done on my channel have been like working on my feet. But this mani pedi is a decorative one and it's meant for relaxation. Even the work I do on my feet is so minimal. It's more about soaking and decorating them. Before we get to the pedicure, it's manicure time. And I'm going to show you the colors that are in here. They have a hot chocolate, a beautiful red, and a green, plus these super shiny, beautiful gold stickers, and this Twinkle All the Way, a magnetic topper. This gold gel color could go over any color that you like the green. It's pretty on its own, but they give you a magnet so that you could give it this effect. First, I laid everything out, which is always step one when doing your nails at home. Make sure you got everything prepared. And I pressed on some press-ons and painted my hard to do hand, you know, the one that's like harder to do. I used these two colors, so we're gonna rinse and repeat. First step is, of course, get the press-ons onto my fingers. So I'm gonna use some nail glue and press them in, making sure that they're straight on my hand. You know how gel polish is wet until you cure it. This kit comes with a really cute little lamp, so I'll be curing each finger individually after it's painted, right after. And I'm doing that because it is wet until it's cured. Any little speck of dust that flies over top of that sticky gel polish that's not cured yet could interrupt the overall shine. And you might not see it with your naked eye, but with a really beautiful gel polish like this, keeping it completely free of little specks of anything is going to make sure that you get the maximum shine. I added that magnetic polish over top, and I learned once you like where the magnet has angled, just leave it and cure it. And then finish off with top coat, which is included in the kit. These remind me, they're so pretty. They remind me of like a little velvet, perfectly wrapped gift box. So cute. I like to think about the general colors that are in my wardrobe when it comes to a manicure and in the holiday season. Right before Christmas, red goes with everything. So let's do this or a variation of it to match on the feet. If you've never soaked your feet in the winter in particular, I highly recommend, even if it feels like a bit of a burden to just set something up to soak your feet in, do it the night before. Get all of the stuff ready, and then the next day, take some time and soak your feet. I added melatonin magnesium salts for the bath. You don't need many. You could also add some soap, anything that you have, even milk and honey. Now there's two kind of pedicures. The medical one where you're removing skin and you're cleaning up the nails and you're really working on your feet. And then there's the relaxation pedicure. I'm not working much on my feet today. I'm just soaking them and painting them. It's really important whenever you're using gel polish or even nail polish, the nails have to be dry. No excess moisture whatsoever. So I'll use a little bit of rubbing alcohol over top of my nails before I apply the gel. I'm going to use this same Ready for Christmas perfect holiday red on my toes, and I like to do the big toe first, and then before I move on to each toe after, I'm going to cure it because you know how like the toes can press together? Well, sometimes the paint is going to like smudge onto my skin if I don't do this, so I like to do it like that. Then I'll paint the rest of them, and then we'll start on a little bit of nail art. I'm looking at all of the possibilities with this mini salon, mini gel salon, and I could do a lot. And I think the closer that it gets to be Christmas for real, then I'll add a little bit more. But for now, leading up to Christmas, I'm gonna do just a little bit of nail art. I'm adding a blooming gel. Okay, have you ever seen this before? It is so cool. You put it on and then you put a dot of whatever you want to blossom over top of your nail, like this. You see how there's no clear line of where it starts or stops, but that gold is just blossomed right where I placed it? So pretty on its own. And of course, you can use the magnet over top to lean the color in one direction. or another. I highly suggest once you like the effect that you got, just leave it. Because sometimes I'm happy with it and then I go back in with the magnet and all of the gold kind of disappears and I have to like get it back. So just tread carefully. And it's really fun because this effect can serve not only as like the art itself, but it could also be a backdrop for those stickers just to give them more dimension and make it look so cute. I think that this magnetic gold gives a velvety effect over the top of the red, and then with these cute little decals, I'm gonna finish off the look in the winter especially. It's so important to use as often as you remember to. Foot lotion or body lotion, whatever you have, you don't need a special type of cream for your feet, but just using something regularly will keep your feet in good condition or better condition than if you weren't using anything on your skin all winter. And of course, a holiday pedicure is going to serve also as a reminder for you to do this. Because when you look at your feet, they're going to look so super sweet that you're going to want to make sure they look a little bit more hydrated and decorated because it is going to be Christmas after all. Also, check out Model Ones on Amazon. They have daily nail sets for at-home manicures and a lot of price discounts. Check the description box for all of the products. And Merry Christmas early.